We're at the Grand Arcade in Wellington. In Wellington we've got some 70's OTIS lifts that have been modernised, as you can see. And they're very fast. 910 kgs of 13 persons. Oh, we're stopping. Going up, where are you going?
Level 4.
Okay, yep.
Cheers, mate.
Here we are at level 4.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Where are you going?
Oh,
Yeah, this is level 4.
oh, okay.
Just send this one off and we'll try and get one of the other lifts. That one goes in. So they've got Everbright cool buttons outside but OTIS Concave inside. These used to be OTIS Lexans originally. Apparently there's a lift here. Oh, we're back in this one again. Green buttons. Far out, these are quick. Now I think we'll just go to 1 because so I can get access to the rest of the arcade. Going down?
Oh yeah.
Where are you going?
To the ground, please.
We are at level 1. There it goes. And that's it.